Hi, and welcome to Quiltmas Day. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. My Missouri Star box opening and honest reaction is at the end of the video, so stick around to find out what I really think. And now, on with the show. Hi guys, it's time for Saturday channel shoutouts again. Today I'm shouting out 3 more quilting channels, a non-quilting channel, and a small shop. I hope you check them out, and I hope you are as charmed and love them as much as I do. So let's get into it. Number 1 is Nikki over at Pen Cut Sew. She is completely adorable and so very creative with a make-do, I'll figure it out and then teach you spirit. Her channel is filled with how-to videos and helpful demos, along with some product reviews and practical advice for quilting and sewing. She has amazingly cute gift ideas, especially for kids, but for everyone on your list all year. She has a shop with patterns for sale, and I will link both down below. Number 2 is Annette over at Sunbeam Fabric Art. So many scrappy ideas. She saves things in a totally different manner than I do, and I am always inspired by the economy of fabric usage. She has really interesting ideas and makes so many quilts. Lots of charity quilting and community support, and many lovely block tutorials as well. She has a gentle and relaxed teaching style that is very inviting. Number 3 is Fallon at At Quilts. Many of you probably already know Fallon. She does live streams. She and her husband do live streams. Fallon has patterns and tutorial videos, very practical and creative ideas, and great ideas for fabrics you already have in your stash. She's sweet and kind of sassy, which I love. Be sure to check out the video featuring the Scrap Explosion quilt. It is really dynamic and beautiful. My non-quilting shout out this week is TheMerryMigrants. Our dear friends Jed and Hannah, who are completely adorable, have plunged into a big adventure. They packed up their kids and their life, and they moved to New Zealand. Now, it's not as easy as all that, as you can imagine, and their brand new YouTube channel goes into all the details and the hurdles that they faced and the reasons, and documents their adventure. I cannot wait to watch them explore New Zealand, a new life, and a new way of being in the world. I wish them every good thing in this life and hope that you enjoy their channel. My small shop shout out this week is none other than Fallon and Matthew at At Quilts. Now, Matthew was kind enough to send me these 2 seam ripper stiletto combos. Let me show you. It's got a seam ripper on one side and a stiletto on the other. He makes these by hand. All their products, all of their wood products and such are made by hand. He is a very, very talented guy, and these are absolutely beautiful. They're a joy to use and a joy to hold. They fit just perfectly in your hand. I know that he has them in about 12 different woods. The prices range from, let me get this right, about $25 to about $28 for most of the woods. There are a few extra special wood types that will cost a little bit more. They are a joy to use. I mean, if you have to rip out seams, wouldn't you rather do it with something lovely like this? I mean, if you gotta do it anyway, you might as well do it with something lovely. This seam ripper is made from Canary wood, and this one is a Spanish wood or South American wood called Cameo, not Tomatillo. Like I thought he said, cell phones. Cameo. They're beautiful. All of the wood that Matthew uses in the shop is sourced from small American vendors. The woods are sourced from all over the world, but his suppliers are small American shops, one in Houston and one in Michigan. He feels very strongly about supporting small local businesses, and that's why I'm doing these shout outs, to help support small, he's in Houston, so that's pretty local to me, but small businesses doing amazing things. And I don't need 2 seam rippers, so one of these is for me, and one of them goes in the giveaway box. All the links are down below. hop on over, watch some videos, do a little shopping, enjoy yourself.
Day 9.
Advent box day 9. It has a plug. Clip and sew light. It's a cute color at least. Rechargeable USB-A to micro USB. Oh, okay. I see. Well, that's kind of cute. I don't know how bright it is, but let's see. No juice. No juice yet, but, oh, wait. Nope. No juice yet. Oh, it has a little juice. Oh, and it changes colors. Look, now it's warm. Now it's cooler. Okay. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, it's changing the light on my camera. Okay. That's kind of cute. Could be useful. Remains to be seen. Day... what? 9. Day 9. Again, let me know in the comments below what your favorite small shops, and also I want to know your favorite non-quilting YouTube channel. Let me know, let's talk about it, and don't forget that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you next time.